Are you over 40 and noticing a loss in strength, energy, or muscle tone? Science has a name for this silent decline, sarcopenia, and it can impact your health, mobility, and confidence. But what if there was one proven nutrient that could help you rebuild muscle fast and fight back? Neuroscientist Dr. Andrew Huberman highlights the game-changing role of this essential nutrient in reversing muscle loss and restoring vitality. Backed by cutting-edge research, it's not about extreme workouts or risky supplements, just smart, science-based nutrition. Whether you're aging actively or aiming to regain strength, this one nutrient could be your key to staying strong, mobile, and youthful. Watch now to unlock the truth and take control of your health. Lesson 1. The hidden muscle killer after 40. As we age, there's a silent force working against us, one that most people never see coming until it's too late. It's called sarcopenia, and it affects millions of people over the age of 40. This gradual loss of muscle mass and strength doesn't happen overnight. It creeps in subtly, often disguised as fatigue, joint stiffness, or the feeling that everyday tasks are just a little harder than they used to be. But make no mistake, left unchecked, sarcopenia can lead to a rapid decline in mobility, independence, and overall health. Starting as early as your 30s, your body begins to naturally lose lean muscle tissue. By the time you hit 50, this loss accelerates if you're not actively fighting back. The biggest problem? Most people don't even know it's happening. They chalk up the changes to just getting older, unaware that they're losing strength and function that could easily be maintained, or even rebuilt, with the right strategy. Here's the scary part: sarcopenia doesn't just affect your muscles. It impacts your metabolism, immune system, balance, and even your brain health. Weak muscles mean reduced activity, and reduced activity means faster aging. It becomes a vicious cycle, one that leads to frailty, falls, and a significantly lower quality of life. But there's good news. Sarcopenia isn't a life sentence. It's a condition that can be prevented, slowed, and in many cases, reversed. The key lies in early awareness and smart, science-backed action. And it doesn't mean you need to spend hours at the gym or follow a complicated fitness plan. In fact, the most powerful changes start with understanding how your body uses nutrients and movement together to preserve muscle health. In this series, we'll uncover the truth about sarcopenia and arm you with the tools to fight back, starting with one essential nutrient that's been proven by science to rebuild muscle fast and safely. Backed by the insights of renowned neuroscientist Dr. Andrew Huberman, you'll discover how to take control of your muscle health and unlock more energy, strength, and vitality than you thought possible. Don't let age define your strength. Get ready to learn, grow, and reclaim your body, starting today. Lesson 2. The one nutrient backed by science. What if the secret to rebuilding muscle and fighting age-related decline wasn't hidden in a complicated workout plan or a miracle pill, but in a single, powerful nutrient your body may already be missing? According to leading neuroscientist Dr. Andrew Huberman, one nutrient stands out for its proven ability to combat sarcopenia, and it's something you can start benefiting from today. That nutrient is leucine, a branched-chain amino acid, BCAA, that plays a key role in muscle protein synthesis. In simple terms, leucine tells your body it's time to build muscle. While protein is essential, it's the leucine within that protein that truly signals your muscles to grow. Without enough leucine in your diet, especially as you age, your body struggles to maintain muscle, no matter how much protein you're eating. So why is leucine so critical after 40? As we age, our muscles become less responsive to the signals that trigger growth. This is called anabolic resistance, and it's one reason older adults need more targeted nutrition than younger people. Leucine bypasses this resistance and stimulates muscle-building pathways, giving your body the boost it needs to preserve and rebuild strength. But here's the best part: incorporating leucine into your daily routine is simple. It's found in high-quality protein sources like eggs, fish, chicken, dairy, and even certain supplements formulated for muscle health. Combined with light resistance exercise, even walking or bodyweight movements, leucine can help you rebuild lost muscle, improve mobility, and feel years younger. Dr. Huberman emphasizes the importance of timing and quality. Getting leucine-rich protein at the right times, especially after physical activity or during your first meal of the day, can significantly enhance its effects. Think of it as pressing the start button on your body's muscle repair system. This isn't just another fitness trend. It's real science, proven through studies and now championed by some of the world's top health experts. If you've been struggling with low energy, shrinking muscle tone, or unwanted weight gain, this one nutrient could be your turning point. Don't wait for weakness to take hold. You have the power to fight sarcopenia, and it starts with something as simple and natural as leucine. Stay tuned, because in the next lesson, we'll show you exactly how to turn this knowledge into a sustainable daily routine. Ask ChatGPT. Lesson 3. Daily habits to maximize muscle growth. Rebuilding muscle and defeating sarcopenia doesn't require a gym membership, a personal trainer, or hours of exhausting workouts. In fact, some of the most powerful ways to stimulate muscle growth and strength are found in your everyday habits, simple routines that, when done consistently, can change your body and your life. After 40, your body naturally becomes less efficient at maintaining muscle mass. But that doesn't mean you're destined to grow weaker. It simply means your habits need to work smarter, not harder. The great news? Science, including insights from Dr. Andrew Huberman, reveals that targeted lifestyle changes can reactivate your body's ability to grow and protect muscle, even as you age. Let's start with movement. You don't need heavy weights or intense cardio to see results. Gentle resistance training, like bodyweight exercises, resistance bands, or light dumbbells, performed consistently just 3 to 4 times a week can dramatically stimulate muscle protein synthesis. Combine that with walking, stretching, or low-impact activities like yoga or Tai Chi, and you'll improve not just strength but balance, flexibility, and joint health. Next, focus on your nutrition timing. The first meal of the day is a golden opportunity to wake up your muscles. Include a leucine-rich protein source, such as eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein shake, to help stimulate muscle repair. After physical activity, refuel with another protein-based meal or snack within 60 minutes to boost recovery. Hydration is also key. Muscles are made up of around 75% water, and dehydration can slow down performance and recovery. Start your day with water and sip regularly to stay energized and support nutrient transport. Sleep often goes unnoticed, but it's a silent powerhouse for muscle growth. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep, as your body repairs and builds muscle tissue during deep rest. Huberman's research shows how light exposure in the morning and limiting screens at night can naturally boost sleep quality. Most importantly, stay consistent. These daily habits may seem small, but their effects compound over time, leading to noticeable changes in energy, posture, strength, and confidence. You don't need to overhaul your life, you just need the right steps, done regularly. In the next lesson, we'll dive deeper into how this smart approach, powered by the right nutrient, can help you activate youthful muscle growth starting now. Lesson 4. How to activate youthful muscle with this nutrient. Imagine if you could flip a switch in your body that tells your muscles, it's time to grow, repair, and get stronger. That's exactly what the right nutrient, leucine, can do when used properly. It's not just about stopping muscle loss. It's about activating your body's natural muscle-building power. Even as you age, after 40, many people notice they're losing strength faster than they expected. Tasks like climbing stairs, lifting groceries, or playing with grandkids suddenly feel harder. But this isn't just aging, it's often anabolic resistance, where the body becomes less responsive to muscle-building signals. The good news? Leucine helps override that resistance. Especially when combined with the right timing and lifestyle choices. Here's how it works. When you eat protein-rich foods, your body breaks them down into amino acids. Among them, leucine stands out because it's the main amino acid that stimulates muscle protein synthesis, the biological process that repairs and builds muscle tissue. Think of it as the key that unlocks your muscle-building engine, but not all proteins are created equal. Some foods are low in leucine, meaning your muscles aren't getting the signal they need. That's why it's important to choose high leucine options like eggs, chicken, tuna, dairy, and quality protein powders. Research shows that a leucine-rich meal, especially after light exercise or strength training, can significantly boost your muscle response, even if you're over 60, according to Dr. Andrew Huberman. Combining leucine with consistent movement and smart sleep routines can reactivate youthful pathways in your body. This means better recovery, increased energy, improved posture, and renewed strength, all without extreme diets or workouts. One important tip: space out your protein intake throughout the day. Many people eat most of their protein at dinner, but your muscles benefit more when protein and leucine is evenly distributed across your meals. Aim for about 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal, with leucine-rich choices. Activating youthful muscle growth isn't a fantasy, it's a science-backed reality. And it starts with one small decision: making sure your meals contain what your muscles need most. In the final lesson, you'll see how real people used this nutrient to regain strength, confidence, and control over aging. You can too. Lesson 5. Real results, stories of strength reclaimed. Sometimes the most powerful proof doesn't come from science, it comes from real people. People who felt their strength slipping away, who struggled with daily tasks, who believed their best years were behind them. But through simple changes and one game-changing nutrient, they turned their health around and reclaimed their power. This is what fighting sarcopenia really looks like. Take John, a 62-year-old grandfather who noticed he was getting weaker by the month. Gardening became exhausting, and stairs felt like mountains. After learning about leucine and how it activates muscle repair, John added high leucine meals and light resistance training to his routine. Within weeks, he noticed more energy. Within months, he was lifting, walking, and laughing with a confidence he thought was gone for good. Then there's Maya, age 55, who had never lifted a weight in her life. She didn't want to bulk up, she just wanted to feel strong again. With guidance from her doctor and information from experts like Dr. Andrew Huberman, she added leucine-rich foods like eggs, Greek yogurt, and fish to her diet. Combined with yoga and regular walks, she saw improvements in posture, balance, and mood. She didn't just gain muscle, she gained freedom. These stories aren't rare. Thousands of people over 40 are now realizing that muscle loss isn't something they have to accept. With a consistent, nutrient-rich approach, they're reversing the effects of sarcopenia and building a healthier future. They're sleeping better, moving better, living better. The best part? It's simple, natural, and safe. No gimmicks, no extreme diets. Just a renewed focus on leucine, smart protein intake, daily movement, and restorative sleep. As Dr. Huberman often says, the body is wired to repair itself, we just have to give it the right signals. You've now seen how this one nutrient can reignite muscle growth, support your body's natural strength, and completely change how you age. You don't need to be a bodybuilder to benefit. You just need the desire to stay strong, independent, and vibrant at any age. So ask yourself, are you ready to be the next success story? Your journey starts today, and it begins with one powerful step: fueling your muscles with what they need to thrive. Conclusion. If you benefited from this video, even just a little, we'd love to hear from you. Your feedback helps us bring more science-backed, life-changing content to people who need it most. Have you tried adding leucine to your routine? Noticed a difference in strength, energy, or mobility? Share your experience in the comments below. Your story might inspire someone else to take the first step toward better health and confidence. Don't be shy, every comment matters. And if you're ready for more tips on aging strong, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a powerful health insight. Let's grow stronger together, one step and one nutrient at a time. Drop your thoughts now, we're listening.